Chorazin was one of the most favored cities in all the earth. Jesus did most of his mighty miracles here. But there came a time when the leaders of the city rejected the claims of Christ and actually refused him entrance into the synagogue.
It is the prophet of Nazareth who has caused the division. In the shops and marketplace, he is the center of all conversation. In the evenings, by the fireside, arguments rage, dividing whole families. For him or against him, there seems to be no middle ground.
For more information and inspiration from Morris Cerullo's 7 decades of ministry, please visit 247victory.com.